Here's a 2018 GMC Terrain. This SUV will be the perfect fit for your family with power and efficiency and surprising cargo space. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, front heated leather bucket seats, driver and passenger front and seat mounted airbags, auto dimming mirrors, dual zone climate control, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, hands-free liftgate, 4-wheel anti-lock disc brakes, and power heated mirrors. Smart capabilities, strong performance, GMC. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.